Pedro, come back here to GYS, we're having a problem.
Is everything okay, Jennifer?
Not really, as I have seriously of a storm. I heard tornado is coming to hit with city and we're having a severe thunderstorm capable producing
weather alerts. We've been in problem. We have severe weather about a tornado warning about at the school, and it's having issues about at the big storm. And make sure to take shelter.
That's right, Sophia. Alright guys, this is the weather alert about issues about the tornado warnings will be hit of a city, and the tornado it's going to hit on the school. And make sure to take shelter. Oh no. Pedro. The tornado was hit the school. We're gonna do something.
Oh no. I think Maria and Hannah and Aaliyah was in the school. Shit, this is going to be happening. We're going to save them.
Did you know about a teenagers was a good channels?
Yes, it is.
Oh no. There's a tornado warning. Guys, this is happening again. There's a tornado warning again. You make sure everyone, we're going to the basement. Hannah Aaliyah. There is a tornado warning. One needs to take a shelter for hours.
What about Pedro and Jennifer? They will coming back to ours.
I hope so. Let me call Pedro. Hello, I need your help. There is a tornado warning to hit the school. Please, Pedro, I need your help.
Don't worry, Maria. I will pick you up at a school. And let me go get a car.
Okay, Pedro. Guys, Pedro is coming back for few minutes.
What about everyone? And we can get out the school. And before tornado well hits.
Come on, Jennifer. Let's get safe then, my friends.
Okay.
Guys, it's here. Let's go.
Great idea. Let's get out of here.
Everyone. To the basement. Hey everyone. We're safe.
Yay.